Break a favorite bowl and you throw it out, right? Not in Japan, where the traditional habit of mottainai refuses to waste anything. The old Japanese went even further, mending crockery in ways that actually make it more valuable and beautiful. This method for repairing ceramics is called kintsugi, and it's been used for over 400 years. Broken pieces are bonded, and the line of the repair is decorated with gold. Kintsugi offers a lot to us in the present age too, and I'm getting many more students today. People see how old items can be given new life and made even more beautiful than before they broke. Let's look at the processes involved in kintsugi. First, the edges of the broken fragments are coated with a glue made from lacquer resin. The fragments are firmly bonded back into place. Then the joints are rubbed with an abrasive such as charcoal until the surface is perfectly smooth again. After drying, more lacquer is applied and again rubbed smooth. This process is repeated many times before lacquer mixed with gold dust adds the final finish. It took about 1 month's work to restore this broken pot to life. A number of other repair methods use the same principles as kintsugi. It's an effective way to repair broken glass items. Another effect is obtained using a silver finish instead of gold. The original design and pattern can be incorporated into the repair. Sometimes the lacquer is colored to match the original surface and hide the repair. All these traditional techniques use a lacquer mixture. Kintsugi is far more than just an appealing technique for repairing broken or chipped crockery. Using gold to emphasize the line of the repair became a way of adding beauty to the original. A method for mending breakages became an artistic technique in its own right. For example, here the gold repair is made to suggest a waterfall. The accidental crack now adds to the design. Kintsugi has a long history of such use for artistic purposes. This famous work by ceramic artist Hon Ami Koetsu dates from the 16th century and is still much admired today. It's important to develop a different way to appreciate beauty. Then you can begin to see things like landscapes in the shape and line of the cracks. Taking something as ordinary as mending cracked pottery and developing it into a sophisticated way of expressing a fresh kind of beauty. Kintsugi is a very Japanese art form.